Good morning, everyone. So it is 9 a.m. and I decided I was going to clean my closet out today. So I just got back from college about a week ago and everything's kind of everywhere. There's no order to my closet, and normally it makes it just so much easier to have everything where you want it to be. And my shoes are everywhere and it's a wreck. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what's going on and then we will get started. This is what we're dealing with. Shoes everywhere, clothes everywhere, just a lot of, stuff. And there's like a whole shelf full of like random stuff. I just need to like get it put away. And I want to get like all my like summer shoes out. And yeah, that shoe rack came from college, so I kind of just set it up because I had nowhere to put anything. So we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna change that out, that cork board, with one of the ones that I brought home from college. So it is all cleaned out, not any dirt or dust left. I vacuumed. Gosh, look at all this stuff. My gosh. Had no idea that I could fit this much stuff in my closet. Unbelievable. You guys should see how big this stack of clothes is. Yeah. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna go get the other cork board, go ahead and hang that up, and then I think I'm going to start putting the clothes back in first. And then I'll explain the way that I'm gonna do that in a minute. I have way too many t-shirts to hang them up, so I think I'm gonna fold all of them and then put them like all on one of these racks, probably one that's like easy to get to because I wear t-shirts a lot. Update about what I'm going to do with the pants. So I have some jeans. Before, I had these two crates and I had jeans in one of them and I had workout leggings and just like lounge pants in the other. So okay, I have more room on the bottom bar than I expected, so I think what I'm going to do is hang all of my jeans, and I'm going to throw all my workout leggings in the bin. And then with the other one, I'm going to use it for like scarves and stuff like that. Scarves and like accessories. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break from putting stuff in my closet and transfer some of the stuff that I'm not gonna put back in here. I'm gonna transfer it to a different closet where I like store extra things. Like backpacks and like probably like travel, like duffel bags and stuff like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and take those out of here because I just don't want to put them back in. There's just really not enough room. But I have all the clothes in here, and basically all I need to do now is put back shoes And I don't really think there's anything else that's gonna go back in here besides shoes, and I think it's looking really good. But I'll go ahead and go through the organization of the actual clothes. Okay, so starting here on the bottom rack, okay, I first have like regular tank tops, then I have workout tank tops, and I have like a couple like workout shorts, like workout shorts. Okay, colored jeans, blue jeans, shorts, short sleeve tops, and anything with the tank style strap. And then up here, again, I have heaviest to lightest. So I have a coat, sweatshirts, vests, workout jackets, cardigans, like, I don't really know what you call this kind of stuff, but like things I might like wear over a dress, sweaters, regular long sleeve tops, and like flannels and stuff. And then lastly, I have like 3/4 sleeve items, like the lighter of the long sleeve tops. Alright, so you probably can't tell, but I actually picked up a little bit. And so I have a lot of my shoes right there, some right there, and some here. So what I'm gonna do now is fill in these, probably these two I think I'm gonna use. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with those yet, but these 3 and then those down there, and then I think under this rack of clothes, I think I'm gonna use that space all for shoes. And so I'm gonna, like, my goal is to keep winter shoes back there as much as possible and just put summer shoes here so they're just accessible and easy to get. So the closet is finished, but I have a lot of random stuff that I took out that is just still like laying on the ground. So I'm gonna clean up everything and then I will show you guys the finished product. Alright, so I'm really happy with the finished product, and I actually ended up getting a lot of like unnecessary stuff out of my closet. I like that I changed the little cork board thing to this quilted one that I brought back with me, and I changed the whole shelving to all shoes instead of like t-shirts and purses and other stuff, and like the whole top shelf of my closet is free now, and like nothing's in the middle of the floor. It just feels so good to have everything organized. So I'll just give you guys one more overview. If you stuck around until the end, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!